In every person's life, there comes a moment when everything seems to fall apart. When the light fades, and all that's left is the ashes of what once was. It's easy to feel defeated, to think that this is the end. But I'm here to tell you, this is not the end. This is the beginning. Life is full of challenges, setbacks, and failures. These moments can break us, leaving us feeling lost and hopeless. But in the heart of every struggle lies an opportunity. An opportunity to rise, to rebuild, and to become stronger than ever before. When you're at your lowest, when the world feels too heavy to bear, remember this: you have the power to rise. You have the strength within you to overcome any obstacle, to turn your pain into purpose, and to rise from the ashes. Life is not about avoiding the fall. It's about learning how to get back up, time and time again. Every fall, every failure, is not a setback. It's a setup for something greater. Every time you rise from the ashes, you are not just returning to where you were. You are rising higher, stronger, and more resilient than before. Too often, we let our past define us. We carry the weight of our mistakes, our regrets, and our failures like a burden that holds us back. But the truth is, your past does not define you. Your mistakes do not define you. What defines you is how you rise from them. How you take the lessons learned and use them to fuel your future. Look around you. This is your life. This is your journey. And it is far from over. No matter how many times you've fallen, no matter how many times you face defeat, you have the power to rise again. To create a new path, a new story, one that is filled with hope, courage, and the unbreakable belief that you are capable of greatness. The journey ahead won't be easy. There will be challenges, there will be obstacles, and there will be times when you will want to give up. But remember this: you've already faced the fire, and you survived. You've already walked through the darkness, and you found the light. Now, it's time to spread your wings and soar. You are not alone in this journey. Every person you see, every person you admire, has faced their own trials, their own battles. They've fallen, they've struggled, but they've also risen. And so can you. It's not the fall that defines you, but the rise. It's not the pain that shapes you, but the strength you gain from overcoming it. You are a phoenix, rising from the ashes. You are a warrior, standing tall after the battle. You are a creator, building a life of purpose and meaning. Do not let the past hold you back. Do not let the darkness dim your light. This is your time. This is your moment. Rise up, and claim the life that is waiting for you. Remember, the ashes are not the end. They are just the beginning. The beginning of your rise. The beginning of your journey. And the beginning of a new chapter in your life. Embrace it. Own it. And rise from the ashes. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.